The next morning was the coldest so far at 39 degrees. Still a comfortable 60 degrees inside with the furnace set to 55. We headed back out along Half Moon Creek to begin what we deemed to be a chore day. Half Moon Road turned back into asphalt as we left the San Isabel National Forest boundary. Today we would look for a conventional RV park to take showers, do laundry, and get connected back online to catch up with the world. We then turned right on Highway 24, heading south towards Salida. Along the way, we contacted 5 RV parks, none of which had any sites available. They were all completely booked up. Another reason I questioned coming to Colorado in peak season. Eventually, we found Monarch Spur RV Park and Campground. They too had no real sites available other than one $35 dry camping spot along a beautiful creek. No hookups to run our AC, but we did accomplish the chores on our list. Monarch Spur RV Park is west of Salida on Highway 50, about 9.5 miles east of Monarch Pass. It's a rustic park, and the men's bathroom was nothing special. The women's bathroom, however, was another story. Our little spot was out of the way and next to a beautiful roaring stream. It completely drowned out the noise from the highway. The next morning, we fixed scrambled eggs for breakfast.
Of course, you have to have the secret ingredient.
added Morningstar meatless bacon, which is easily heated in the microwave.
This is our breakfast today.